Hi, good evening, everyone. So let's give 1 or 2 minutes for others to join. So meanwhile, those of you who joined, can you please give your introductions in the chat box, please? Like, what background are you from, and where are you from, and what are you expecting from this webinar? So you can put them in the chat box. Hi, Mani. Yeah, thanks. So programmer as in which program? Hi, Shakti. Hi, Anandi Kavita. Okay, so we have people who are working professionals here. Okay. Okay, I can see people joining in. You can meanwhile give your introductions in the chat box for the trainer and us to know more about yourself and what you are expecting from this webinar and what background you're from, please. So slowly we can start with the agenda, and after that I'll be explaining about what AllPro is, then a bit of introduction about our trainer, and we can start with the webinar, and after that you'll have some time to ask queries and we can go with the other things planned. So I'll walk you through. So first 5 minutes is going to be participant introduction. You can share your introductions in the chat box. And while we have the query session, we can have it the mic open for you guys to ask questions. And apart from that, we'll be covering the webinar content for 45 minutes and we will have a query session. And I'll also be sharing what you will be doing during this course with us and the offers that we have, and any queries or feedback that you want to share, you can do it um in the end, please. So let's get started. Before that, I'll talk about what AllPro is. So AllPro Trainings, we are an Indian registered company, and we offer technology related trainings and soft skill trainings to mostly students, freshers, and experienced professionals to upskill their. Sorry. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we provide trainings to students, freshers, and experienced professionals. And what we do, we provide IT related trainings overall, and electrical and electronics and soft skill courses for colleges and corporates. Our vision is to provide professional training to more than 10 million people worldwide. So we have provided high quality training with well experienced trainers, and all our trainers are working professionals. So 2021 is when we had registered with the company. I was registered with the government. Before that, we were a small company, and we were in this. for more than 7+ years now. And our services include individual training, corporate training, and college trainings. So we provide three types of trainings to our students. One is the webinar, where you get the overview of the technology. Free certificate will be given to all the participants, and flash course, which will be for 5 to 10 hours of live workshop that will be there, with a hands-on experience and covering the basic of the technology. And full course is what you will be covering, which is going to be for 35 hours and designed in a way where you will be working on live projects, and you can also clear the professional certification from Microsoft for Power BI. So global reach, we have it in India, USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and other countries as well. So why you have to choose us? We give you trainings at your convenient timings, and everything is going to be practical. So theoretical part is very less, and you will be asked to share your screen, and you will be given tasks to perform. And resume preparation help will be given. Sample resumes after 50% of course completion, we'll be sharing it with you. And mock interviews, if you have any interviews lined up, you can let us know, and we will help you with respective trainers to guide you on it. And interview questions, our team will be sharing 1,000+ interview questions, most asked, updated ones with you before the preparation. And lifelong community support. Once you enrolled with us, even if you want to upskill later in the future, will be guiding you on the same. And job guidance until you get a job. So we have job posts from different HRs whom we are collaborated with. So we'll be sharing it, and you'll also be getting post completion certificate, and daily job links will be there. And if you want us to provide recommendation in LinkedIn, we will also be providing that. And we are based out of Chennai and Bangalore. Someone had asked in the chat. So certification vouchers, if you need, we will also provide that. And direct job reference to AllPro consultancy. So we do have a consultancy where we'll be providing job related posts. And we offer different kind of trainings, RPA related, cloud related, AI, ERP, Gen AI, and we have many other tools, CyberArk, cyber security right now in the market, and we provide all the CRM related tools. And these are some of the courses that we offer. PMP, if you want to clear, we help you with that. And these are the new ones: IAM tools, firewall, and Power Platform we do provide, and good in the market right now. And Ansible, GitHub, all these courses are being covered. And these are some of the electrical and electronic courses. So if you're from electrical background, then you have courses with us. And we are also officially verified for in WhatsApp and Instagram, and also government incorporated certificate is there with us. And this is about our social media. So we've been in this social media active for last 2 years, and these are the followers and ratings that we have got till now. And we have quite a good network of people with us who are working in different MNCs and startups. So during referrals, they help a lot for you when you are enrolled with us. And existing clients on the corporate side, we do provide TCS, Capgemini, Mindtree, Accenture, HCL. These MNCs we have provided, and we have good number of records with us that we have provided those trainings. And certifications, UiPath and Blue Prism and Power BI data analysis certification. These are some of the certifications that our students have taken in the past. And we also help with cyber security related certification, PMP, and Scrum Master. We do cover all the certifications that are expected by your company, and we'll help you with the vouchers as well, depending on the certification that you'll be taking. And so this is Soumya from AllPro, and I'll be taking this webinar forward, and I belong to the corporate team where we handle corporate related training. So someone had asked in the chat box, and we have our trainer Amal Raj with us with an experience of 10 plus years in different domains like manufacturing, shipping, and IT related industries. So he has good understanding of IT and analytical skills. So he knows Power BI, Tableau, and also Python. He has given trainings with us, and he'll also be covering data science and AI for our students. Right now, he'll be taking Power BI for us. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can put it in the chat box parallelly. He'll be there to guide you as well. And if you want to ask any questions, you can raise your hands. I can help unmute you during the call. Okay, and I'm giving it over to you, Amal Raj.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your introduction. Yeah,
Thanks.
yes. So, good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is audible. Can someone confirm me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so as AllPro Training said, my name is Amal Raj. I have 10 years of experience. Okay, let me share my screen. Just let me know once my screen is visible. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I have totally 9.5, 10 years of experience. So I work with multiple data analytics and data science project. So when I'm talking about data analytics project using Power BI and Tableau, I integrated a lot of data source. I have implemented almost 300 KPIs across globally for my sales and marketing team and finance, supply chain management, productions. Now I'm working in the shipping industries. So day by day, I'm handling large number of data. That is my passion as well. So apart from this analytics, I'm currently I'm doing a lot of generative AI and a lot of data science project like a forecasting model, machine learning models, and the prediction model as well. Okay, so coming back to my skills, I work with Tableau, Python, Power Automate, AI, NLP, SQL. So this is my small background. Okay, so with that, I will kickstart the next slide. Before going to that slide, I want to ask only one question to all. So whoever knows, please you can tell me. Okay, whether that is right or wrong. Don't look at that. Okay, what do you mean by data analytics? As per your knowledge, as per your experience, I mean, I believe few people are from experience background from different industries, right? So as per your concern, what do you mean by data analytics?
Analyzing the market trends.
Very good. I really appreciate you. Anybody?
Analyze raw data into structure format.
Okay, very good. Good. I think I got two response. Really, I'm happy for that. And now I can see few people are really very much interested in the Power BI. Okay. So before going to Power BI, I want to talk about type of analytics. Okay. See, okay. Nowadays, okay, only if you are taking any industries, okay, whether healthcare, retail, or some manufacturing, IT, supply chain, any domain, okay. These three, pla- these three analytics are very, very important. Okay. And one is descriptive analytics. Next one is predictive analytics, and third one is prescriptive analytics. Okay. So I will explain you before going to talk about Power BI, because this is very, very important concept when you are becoming a data analyst. Okay. The descriptive analytics based on the historical data, right? Whether our sales data or some manufacturing data or some cricket data, football data, or Amazon data, retailer data, supermarket data, whatever the data, right? Based on that, we are identifying the how the trend is going on. So what are the important variable it's affecting my sales, right? So you're analyzing only based on the historical data, right? That is called descriptive analytics. Here only we are going to use Power BI, Tableau. Yeah, these two platforms we are going to use. Okay. So coming to predictive. Predictive something about futuristics. Okay. So again, I will give you an example. You have sales data. You have already created the visuals. Okay. So visuals, though you have 3 years data, you have done the visuals. Okay. If you are presenting to someone or your management or your senior manager, they are telling, okay, this dashboard, it really looks nice. Can we predict what is going to happen next 3 months? That is the predictive analytics, futuristic. Okay. The prescriptive analytics is nothing but based on the descriptive, based on the predictive, what result going to happen. I mean, kind of interpretation level. It's up to management level. So as a developer, we are going to work on only these two analytics. One is descriptive, one is predictive. This is always you should keep whenever you are building some dashboards. Guys, are you clear? Any questions for this slide? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Then can move on to next slide. What is data visualization? I mean, today world, everywhere we are talking about the data visualization, dashboard, colorful charts, colorful trend, everything, right? Data, as people earlier said, right? Data analysis, data visualization, nothing but it's a graphical representations. So you have kind of n number of data with unstructured way. You are going to convert into meaningful dashboards, meaningful actions. See, end of the project, you are going to drive data decision making culture to your organization. That is what data visualization. So in the course, I mean the particular data visualization, you will learn about more charts like a combo chart, scatter plot, when we have to use scatter plot, when we have to use a kind of box plot, when we have to use map visuals. So we have, I mean, the Power BI, we have almost, I can say 100 plus data visualizations. Okay. So we are going to learn those things during our classes. Okay. And important thing is Power BI is a powerful tool, and today in the market, I will tell you why that is very powerful in upcoming slide. Okay. Let's move on to next. Yes. What is BA? Okay. BA means business intelligence. That is called BA. I will tell you quick example. I hope everybody have worked in the Excel, right? So Excel, we have certain limitation. So when you are when the seat level, so whoever not speaking, please mute yourself. Okay. So in the Excel sheet, maximum we insert 1 million rows at maximum. After that, we cannot insert any rows. We have to move on to different sheet or different workbook, right? So I mean, this is idea got from Bill Gates and operation team. So if we have large number of data, what we can do? Then Bill Gates introduced Power BI. This is part of, I mean, this is belongs to Microsoft product. Okay. Okay, Power BI is, I mean, again, if I'm talking about Power BI, is a Microsoft product. In the particular product, we can connect all the Microsoft data sources like a SQL, SharePoint folder, Excel. If you have dedicated OneDrive, everything we can connect it into Power BI without any cost. Next, coming to the important thing is as a developer, because tomorrow you are going to become a developer, you have to know these two things. One is Power BI desktop, another one is Power BI service. So Power BI desktop is a developer portal. I will show you. Anyway, I will show you how Power BI desktop will looks. And it's completely developer portal. We are going to build all the dashboards, all the calculations, all the charts, then relationship, multiple things. Okay. Then Power BI service. If you are working in one organization, okay, if you are the developer, you have built a super powerful dashboards, okay, but you have to share with somebody. I mean, you have to share with your manager, right? Then only he can know how many hours you have spent on the work, what are the things you have done, right? So if you want to share the dashboard, we need Power BI service. That is the license version. Okay. Guys, so far any doubts, or I'm going fast, or you are okay? My dear friends.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. If any question, please don't hesitate. You can ask.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Then why Power BI? Okay. So I hope everybody heard about the Gartner report, right? So basically, Gartner report, what that company exactly will do every year. If we are talking about data science, they will do some research team. They will identify what are the data science tools in the market and why they will do lot of research. Okay, the same way they will conduct the every year they will conduct the data visualization part. I mean the data analytics part. Okay, last you don't believe me, last 2 to I think 2 years or 3 years, I don't remember. Okay, last 3 years continuously, Power BI is one of the top powerful tool. Okay, so earlier I started my career in Tableau. Okay, then now whatever the Tableau I have developed like 6-7 years back. Now all the dashboard now migrated to Power BI. All the company, if you're taking 100 in per company, 95 companies are expecting Power BI developer. We have a huge demand, but the problem is that the good developers are not in the market. We have huge opportunity. The 2025, you don't believe me, we have huge opportunity, but we are not getting right developer. Okay, so maybe what I can say is, as a if you have started to the Power BI developer guy, right, you will work on end-to-end process. You will understand more. Now, apart from data, you will understand more about business case studies. Okay, and coming back to this slide, every June or May, the Gartner report, they will release the platform. Which one is the best tools? So now you can see, right? As I said earlier, Power BI is one of the top tool in the market. Next, the future of Power BI. So the good thing is Power BI, when comparatively other tools, every month they are upgrading their versions. I mean, every month, first week, they are releasing some update in the Power BI desktop or Power BI service or some new calculations or new charts. Okay. When I started my career, right, in Power BI, like 7-8 years back. Okay. During that time, nothing. I mean, I can say only limited chart only I can build. I cannot write the complex formulas functions, and I cannot integrated any other platform into Power BI. I mean, during that time, I have faced lot of challenges. Okay, but now you don't believe me. Now they are integrated lot of AI things. Okay, one of the thing I will tell you. We are regularly using Chat GPT, DeepSeek, Jurak, our regular day-by-day activities, right? The same way, we in Power BI we have NL Q and question and answer. That is, they are built it using NLP, that is called text mining algorithm. If you are uploading the data, whatever you are typing, based on that output will throw. Whether the text, whether the visuals, whatever, if you want some table format, you can achieve that. Okay, that is one of the best thing in Power BI. And now they are started developing a lot of machine learning algorithms, some predictive model in Power BI. So every month they are upgrading a lot of things. I mean, last quite few months, I can see last 6 months, I can see lot of changes happen through Power BI. Okay, then as I said earlier, right, career opportunity. We have huge opportunity in the market, but the thing is we don't have right developer, as I said earlier. So if you have started to learning this, right, so within three months, maybe we can say within 2 to 3 months, if you are able to develop any one of the dashboards, then you are the developer. If you are created one project, then company looking for you. Okay. Then coming to the cost, the Power BI cost, right? End of the day, market, they are expecting some revenue aspect, right? When you are comparatively Tableau, Google State Data Studio, and ClickSense, these are the data visualization tool. Okay, Power BI is the cheapest version in the market, which means only $9.10, approximately in the Indian currency, 8,500 rupees. We are one license per annum per year. They are charging only 8,500 rupees. So when I'm working with my previous organization, so when I started that Power BI, I don't have any license. I mean, management are strictly so, no, I cannot invest any money for this license. But now I have developed a number of dashboards, and the total number of users almost 73 plus. I think 73 or 74 as on today date. Lot of people they started, they are they are very much interested in seeing the Power BI because of the looks, wireframes, and the lot of changes, AI adoptions, multiple things happening, right? So we can the good thing is we can collaborating with multiple data source. We can and the main thing, they are giving 10 GB data storage per users. So let's imagine if you have 10 GB of your space, you can create n number of dashboards, right? So that is the advantage. But Tableau is the highest. I mean, the cost wise is a huge $70 per user, and nobody. I mean, nowadays nobody they are working on the Tableau part. Then coming to salary part, okay, this is again is a mandatory, right? So if I'm developing, if I'm started to learning, because today you are investing some money, right? So obviously we need some return of investment after some time. If you are fresher, only Power BI, they are paying 5 lakhs per annum. I think nowadays 4.5 lakhs they are paying. 1 to 3 years of experience, they are paying 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. If you have 3 to 5 years of experience, they are paying 8 to 12 lakhs per annum. If you have more than 5 years of experience, they are paying 12 to 20 lakhs. If you have more than 10 years, like 8 years, 9 years, they are paying up to 32 lakhs per annum. This is the current package as per March 2025 data. I have done some research. Based on the research, I have arrived this number. Then coming to, okay, let's, before going on the case studies, do you have any questions so far? Please let me know, then I can move on to the case studies. I will two case study I will show you. One is whatever I have built it.
Please, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Please, I wanted to ask, how does Power BI integrate with other Microsoft tools such as Excel and Azure?
Okay, I will tell you. I mean, during that I have a small case study I will do. During that time you will understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope my screen is visible, right?
Oh, yeah.
But not presentation, not the other thing, right?
Yes, sir.
No,
You
use case.
use case. Okay, just hold on. I will reshare my screen. What about now?
Yes, ICC men's cricket. That.
Okay, okay, fine. So now,
Yeah,
I
great.
mean, this is one of the dashboard I have built it, 2023. We know, right? The World Cup. I mean, we lost a match and Australia won that, right? So, I the data source it's available in multiple database. I mean, the platform, public platform, we can able to get those database. Based on the data, I have built this dashboard. Okay, using Power BI. Let's look at it. The Green Maxwell's is a highest scorer, 201. And the most run is our team is Virat Kohli. And most wicket, Mohammad Sami. And South Africa is the highest inning score is South Africa 428 slash fives. Then best win percentage is India 90.5s. And if you look at this left side, the table, team played, how much match they won, lost, points, everything, right? So just within the one page, you will get a number of datas, and it's a very good representations as if you ask me. Okay, and easily we can yes, India played and somebody I want to know about England. Yeah, England played 9 months, but they won only 3 months. 6 match they are lost. Okay, fine. Then after that, what further analysis I can do? Then I have created batting performance, like a batting records. If you look at this dashboard, top 5 players by most runs. India, South Africa, and Virat Kohli, we have seen, right? Then top 5 players in highest score. Then top 5 players in batting average. Then top runs by team. Then most run by ground. Then total number of hits, 6 score, number of century, number of half century, right? So this is the way I have built the dashboard. And one more thing, if you want to search some players, for example, Virat Kohli, if you're searching, right, if you're selecting this, you will get, I mean, the data, right? Like here the data is changed. So Virat Kohli 9-6, he number of six is 9, century is 3, half century is 6. Then total run is 766. If you look at this top 60, 760 runs, is matched with this card, right? And also, if you want to see only particular team, for example, England, the dashboard accordingly will change. So here, Moeen Ali, Stokes, Root, these are the top 5 players, most runs. Then higher scores, these players, then batting average, these players, then that by Ryan, that's all. So based on that selection, if you look at India team, you can see other players like Rogi Sharma, Shreyas Iyer, Kohli, KL Rahul, right? So based on single selections, you will get a number of data insights as per your expectations. The same way I have done for bowling records. Okay, the same thing, whatever I built for batting records, same thing I have done for the bowling records. If you look at this wicket keeping records, I have developed these dashboards, the top 5 wickets by most decimals, then most catches, then best top 5 wicket keepers batting average. So why I'm interpreting this, if you have the data, we can create like kind of amazing dashboards in Power BI with meaningful actions and it's a user friendly, right? That is very, very awesome because last 6-7 years I am working in the Power BI, especially for the Power BI. Okay. I have delivered a number of dashboards, a number of reports to users. They are happy. Okay. Now what we can do is I will share my screen. So before that, just hold on. Okay, just hold on. Let me know once my screen is visible. Okay, so this is the Power BI desktop. Okay, my desktop version is visible. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello. We can hear you, not visible. Wait. What about now? Is visible, right? Okay, somebody, please. Okay. Yes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to build one small dashboards. Okay. Now what this is the home page for the Power BI desktop. Okay. And here during that classes, I will explain all the things. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, if you're selecting this Excel workbook, okay, so directly it will hit to the path. So I'm going to analyze the superstore sales data. And when I'm opening this data, you will get it that data in the front end manner. So if you have multiple tables, if you're selecting, I want to analysis only for the orders, and this is the data. So I can check whether all the fields are properly injection completed. Once if you're loaded, the data automatically it will it loaded to into Power BI. Just hold on. Once it's loaded, then I will move further. Okay, and this is the data. And here the good thing is, if you have date format, okay, automatically the system will understand that this is the date format. If you have number data, system automatically will understand that is the numbers. If you have category, for example, if you have country, if you have a product, automatically the Power BI can the backend will understand, okay, this is the categorical data. That is very amazing. That is this is not with not other not other tools. Like if you're using any other BI tool, they don't have that capability. I think now they are doing that, but so far Power BI is the best. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create 2-3 charts. Okay. Now what month wise we have order date, we have sales data. So we are going to create month wise sales. Okay. Here you can, here right, you can see line chart. If you are selecting the line chart, here you will get on the left side you will get the line chart graph visuals. What you are going to do, automatically it will ask what is the x-axis, y-axis. Here just you are going to drag order format, order date. Okay, when you are selecting this order date, you have date, quarter, year, month. You are going to do the analysis only for month. Okay, then sales. Then I'm going to track the sales into y-axis. Now look at this. So this is the trend. So now you can imagine within one visuals, you can easily you can create, and within fraction of few seconds we are created these visuals, right? Then next what we are going to do, we are going to create one map visuals. Okay, let try. We have different map visuals. So the field map, I'm going to select the field map. Field map nothing but the world map. Okay. So here the location it's asking. Here what I'm going to do, the state I'm going to put in the location, and the sales I'm going to put it in the legends. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, I have to enable this. Okay, this is I'm not upgraded. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I think here I have to enable this thing. That's why I mean today only I updated the latest version. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, let me try another visuals. We are going to create, okay. So here we can see profit, we can see quantity, we have sales. Now my manager is asking, what is the total sales, what is total quantity, what is total profit within one visuals, right? So here you can see that card, which means you can see 1, 2, 3, right? This is name as card in the Power BI. If you are selecting this, you will get this card. Here, what you are going to do, just you are going to drag this sales into this field. Now you can see the total sales, 3.59 millions. So the January to December, if you are aggregating this number, totally your sales is 3.59 millions. The same way we can do for quantity. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, just we are going to copy and paste like whatever the Excels we are doing, right? The same format. Here instead of sales, we are going to replace with the quantity. Where is quantity? Yes, quantity. Quantity is 41K. Okay. Now what we are going to create one more card is profit. Okay. So where is profit? In the left side, we have profit, right? So if you are track this, look at this. So this is the visuals. Okay. Now what additionally we are going to do? We are going to create filter, right? So I have multiple products, or I have multiple category, or multiple region. If I want to select, if I want to see only one particular product, where I can see, this is the question, right? This is the business problem. Now see, here we have slicer. This is called slicer, nothing but filter. If you are creating this, here you have this. You are going to, what you are going to do? Here you have region. Where is region? Here you can say region, right? So when you are tracking this region, you will get Central Asia, North Asia, right? Southeast Asia. If you want to know only Southeast Asia, if you select this, dashboard accordingly will refresh. That's and this is the dynamic report after some time. Okay. And every time whenever data is coming, automatically we can we can refresh, then dashboard automatically will publish. This is what the small case study I want to show. Yes, we can same way we can do a number of things, a number of calculations, a number of dashboard with a different table, with different case studies. But why I have shown this? Power BI have that capability, but the thing is we don't have the right developer in the market. That's why the Power BI job is very demand. Okay, just what I'm going to do, I'm going to unshare my screen. Now we have the open for forum. You can ask what are the questions you have. I hope you have enjoyed this section. And anyway, before that, I would like to ask anything. So Vikas asked new card. You can select new card to the multiple things. Yes, we can do it. We have multiple card as well. Guys, please, you can feel free to ask any doubts next 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, now you can unmute and ask your questions, please.
Asked, okay, okay. Maybe, okay. Can I share on the last one screen, if you don't mind?
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the model I'm going to cover, because already few students are already started this course. I mean, some people from abroad. I've been one of from US people. Okay. So now he started to working on the model. So total you have 15 modules. Okay. So each model you will learn new things apart from some practical experience. Then sometimes I will ask you to prepare some dashboards. Then I will ask you to do some research. You will, I mean, this is the model for 35 hours, maybe at maximum 35 to 40 hours, depends on your pickup, right? The good thing is, I will give you the project level, I will give you two hands-on project. One is crew project. So for example, if we have 40 people, okay, let's take 40 people. So if you are divided into five groups, then we have 8 groups, right? So one group I will give you different data sets, one group I will give you different data sets. So the first project is a crew project. You can prepare dashboard, then come up with a super presentations. Then the next one, the 40% alone, I will give you each project, different data sets, different scenario. Okay. And I will ask you to verify the dashboards along with where you are struggling, how we can do it, how industries are expecting based on this project. So I will help you on the lot of innovation things. And finally, I will conclude one thing is, apart from this dashboard, you will learn more about data concept. I mean, the fundamental data concept that is very important, right? When you are working in Power BI or as a data analyst profile, that I'm 200%. I am assure you, you will learn about complete data types, uh, data type structures, everything in the during that classes. So that's what I thought to convey that last slide. Okay, now you can ask. Yes, Vishash, you have some questions.
I asked a question and you didn't really reply me, sir.
Sorry?
I had a question and you didn't reply me properly, so I don't know.
Okay.
So my question was, how does Power BI integrate with other Microsoft tools such as Excel?
See, the simple, right? This is Power BI is a Microsoft product, right?
Yes, sir.
So directly see, Excel is it's a Microsoft product. SQL is a Power BI SQL is a Microsoft product. So they have connection in the data. So in the Power BI, we can connect 134 database. I mean data source, not only SQL, multiple things. Once see here where you maybe as per my understanding, once
Yes,
you
sir.
have developed the dashboards, after that times we have to refresh the dashboard with the dynamic. That is what you are trying to say.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So there we have to learn about the Power BI service. That is, anyway, I told you, right? We have two things, one for desktop level, one for Power BI service level. That is, I will cover during the classes. So service nothing but the kind of gateway connection. I mean, the kind of bridge between your dashboard, between your source, whether Excel or your SharePoint, whether your SQL, you can connect the bridge.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, cool.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Hi, Tana. I just want to ask 3 questions.
Okay.
First is like Power BI is only and only used for the dashboard only, uh, as compared to Excel. Like in Excel, we have multiple sheets, right? But if we have a multiple number of data, right, we can't compare it in a single sheet. And over the Power BI, we can compare it in a single sheet. Is
Correct.
it the only difference in Power BI and Excel?
No. See in the Excel, you can't connect LinkedIn data, you can't connect Twitter data, you can't connect SQL data, you can't connect other multiple data source like Oracle or any other platform, right? But Power BI, we have that capacity.
No, but in Excel, we can import the SQL data.
That's what SQL data you can import, but apart from Microsoft data, you can't import, right?
All right. This is my first doubt. My second doubt is, in a Power BI, in a single sheet, can we extract the data from SQL and Python and Excel itself in a single for preparing a single dashboard?
No. Can you repeat once again?
Yeah. My question is, in a while preparing a Power BI dashboard, can we extract the data from multiple sources, like some data from SQL, some data from Python, some data from Excel? This is my question.
Okay. So yes, Excel, we can convert it. I mean, we have one option for export data into Excel, export into PDF, export into PPT. So far, you can convert that particular visual data.
No. Let me clear it. Like we have a few data in SQL.
Okay.
Right. We have a few data in Python. We have a few data in Excel. right?
Okay. Yes.
All three data are similar, are for the same company, and we have to create a dashboard, right? So in a
Yes.
single dashboard, can we
Yes.
manage all three datas?
Yes. 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 But the thing is, we need mapping key.
Okay, we need a Power Query for this.
Yes. No. We see, for example, you have some data in Excel, some data in SQL, some data in Python. You can all the data source you can connect it to Power BI. The thing is, if you are connecting these three table, if you want to build one dashboard or one visuals, we want to know as a systematically what is the primary key, right?
Hmm.
So if you have that key, yes, we can achieve that.
Okay. Like joins.
Yes, giants, exactly.
All right. And one more, my last question is in the Power Query, right? In the Power Query, we can also build the dashboard.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
So please, I have another question. I don't know if you mind.
Yep.
Okay, I wanted to say, can I use Power BI to create my can I use Power BI to create machine learning models and predictive analytics?
Okay. So now thing is, what I have done, okay, for my thing is in my previous project, I have developed the code in R and Python. Okay, that output when I received that output code, the final output, if I have written in 20 lines of code, that particular code I can integrate into Power BI. Power BI that
Okay.
capable.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can
Yes,
I ask
Venkatesh.
my one question? Sir, I am a beginner also. I am currently studied second year computer science department. So I
Okay.
will learn to data analyst or data scientist. That's told to my skills can grow up in future.
Okay.
So I am a beginner, so but no idea how to start Power BI step by step.
Yes, so that is what we are going to cover in the section, whatever the module I have given, right? So I have prepared detailed because see, I told you, right, I have already conducted a lot of seminar workshops about Power BI. I know as a fresher level what they are expecting, as a experience level, as a different sector level what they are expecting. That's why I've clearly defined that 15 modules.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
There's one question in the chat box.
Okay. Maybe I could not see in the chat box.
Yeah, he's from BCom background field and
Okay.
wants to know if Power BI requires coding knowledge, Python
No.
and Java, is it needed?
Okay. So Power, if you know Excel, easily you can adapt in Power BI because the Excel is advanced level. If you're talking about Power BI is advanced of Excel. Whatever the formulas you have used in Excel, the same thing, maybe little bit of different with the technical term, but similar in Excel.
Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Can unmute and ask or can put it in the chat box, please.
I think one more question.
Yeah.
Concerning the project you have to share, are you gonna mention that in a group on how we are to share the groups?
Just for sorry, I'm not getting Dennis.
So I'm talking about the project. The project you say you have to share, like for us to do a school project.
Yes.
Yes. So I don't know how, or you're gonna share the group.
Okay,
group
so
members.
what, okay, see, the plan is, as I said earlier, if we have 40 people, I will split into 5 people. Okay, it's a kind of random, okay. So I will give you one assignment, one data set. So what I will do, I will give you good amount of time. Before going to create the dashboard, I will ask you to prepare the problem statement, then identify the KPI, like a KPI performance indicator. Once if are identified, then I will ask you to prepare the dashboards. Okay. But finally, when you are coming to the presentation mode, everybody should, I mean, the 5 people should talk about what exactly they have done. Finally, if you have done it, then you can put it in your resume. Once you have built your own project, then you have to put it on your resume for the HR visibility.
Okay, sir.
Anybody? Any doubts?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, like one more advanced level doubt I have.
Yeah.
Like, if we prepare a dashboard, like
Mhm.
at a Power BI desktop, have a multiple sheets. Like our dashboard is came into 3 pages, 3 sheets,
Okay.
right? So, like if we put filter on the first page, like, will it automatically
Yes.
in a
Yeah,
second
we
and
can
third?
sync. We can sync.
All right. Matlab, is it all default or we have to put the condition?
No, no. It's no. When you are, I think when you are developing this, it will ask you want to sync this dashboard to all the page or only this page. So the time we can do it.
Okay. As I'm like, I just thought when I saw your dashboard na, regarding cricket, right?
Mm.
Then the question arises in my mind, like on the
Yeah,
left.
yeah. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible.
All right. All right.
So any other questions from anyone, please? Can unmute and ask. Okay, Aman, you have anything to
No,
conclude?
no. I'm that's no conclusion. The thing is,
Okay,
okay. I will take 1 minute, Soumya. Okay.
yes, sure.
So again, I'm repeating the same thing. Markets are there. We have huge demand. Okay. So obviously we have to adopt the latest technology and the Power BI nowadays, I think, uh, as per some prediction, 2030, the next 3 to 5 years, Power BI only one tool for the data visualizations. Okay, that is what some prediction is, some talking is going on. Please, you have to learn. Then once you are started to learn, definitely you are become a kind of data analyst. I am sure about it. That's all, Soumya.
Sure, sure, Aman. Thank you so much. Any other questions, anyone? Or we can move to the next session where we will be talking more about AllPro. And thanks, Amal, for this wonderful demo.
Yes.
We'll keep you posted.
Okay.
Uh, so I'll be moving to the next session where it's about AllPro. So, I mean, if you want to leave,
Yeah. Thank
yes,
you. Thank you,
please.
everyone. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone. Good evening.
Thank
Wish
you.
you all the best.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Thanks
Thanks,
for the demo.
thanks. Have a nice day.
Yeah. So I just Okay, I'll just keep the mic off for some time. So many of you joined later. I'll just give a small intro video about what AllPro is for people who join a bit late today. Yeah, just play it. So this was a short video about what we do in AllPro. I'll start with how the classes are going to be in AllPro. So here I'll be explaining about how the classes will happen and how our trainings are being given to our students. Yeah, I guess I'm audible. Okay. So, and how to secure jobs worldwide. So all our sessions are going to be for 1 hour in a day. And first 5 minutes will be for quick revision on the topics that was covered previously. And we will have the current topic that will be covered for 25 minutes in a day. And you will be asked to share your screen and show the hands-on task that was given by the trainer, and another 25 minutes will be for another topic, and again you will be given some task, and our batches are only 4 to 5 students in a batch, so all of them get to share the screen and show the output to the trainer. And if you have any difficulties, you can clear it during the session, and even after the session, if the task you find any difficulties, you can put your queries in our WhatsApp group. A WhatsApp group will be created for each batch, and you can clear your doubts and complete the task. So you're expected to complete task within the particular day's time. And the learning pyramid, 5% of lecture will be there, and you will be given reading materials, and demonstration hands-on will also be there. And you'll have some discussion of 5 minutes at the end of each class with your peers and the trainer. And if you have any practice that you'll need, you can ask the trainer for more hands-on tasks, and he'll be happy to give you that. And you can also take the opportunity to share your screen and teach your peers during the class demonstration. So once you're done with your task, you can share your screen and explain it to your peers for better understanding. So your goal is to get a new job, or if you want to switch jobs or learn a new technology or internal transfer within in the company, like from one project to other, you can let us know your goal so that we'll be able to help you and guide you depending on the goal that you have set for yourself. The duration and timing I'll be explaining. It will be for 35 hours. It will at least take a month's time, and timing is flexible. You can choose your timings, and we'll all will be having the classes at your convenient time. And certificate, I'll be sharing the feedback form in a while. You can fill it to get your certificates. Yeah, and this is the habit loop that we follow. So there's a routine, and you have the task that is given. And if you are performing really well, and you want more tasks to be given, you can let us know. The trainer will also be giving you that, and we will also be helping you with use cases that are needed. Yeah, and all our students have been able to complete all these tasks within that 1 hour of time. And online videos versus live classes. Here you will be having live classes, and you will also be having recorded videos given for that particular class. So it is well structured, and you can ask your queries to the trainer during the class and even after the class. And trainer will get to know about you individually, and he will be able to guide you depending on the goal. As I said, if you want to switch to a new job, there's a lot of effort that needs to be given. So we'll be helping out in that particular goal of yours. And real-time projects will be given, so for the students to have a hands-on experience, and real data will be shared by the trainer for you to execute all these hands-on tasks. And daily homework will be given, and it is mandatory for you to complete the task before moving to the next topic. That's since it's like 1 month of course that we have customized, it is very essential for you to go with our phase, so that it is easier for you and the trainer as well to take the course forward. And if you are finding something difficult, we will restructure it, and you will be given certain amount of time during the weekends to go through the topics again. You can go through the recordings and finish your task. If you have any difficulties, like I said, you can use our WhatsApp group. So AllPro learning format, we have a combination of online documents, YouTube and other recorded videos, collaborative learning with friends. Sorry, I had a internet issue. So advantages that we have over other, I think my screen is visible. So each batch will consist of 5 students, as I told you. This allows the trainers to focus on each student in a collaborative and interactive manner. Live recordings will be given to the student right after the class. You will be getting your recordings in the chat box, and you can use it. Like you can save it in your computer and use it as lifelong access. And class recordings will be given, class notes will be given, and software will also be given. And since PowerBi freeware, the trainer will be able to guide you on installing it. And if you need any features, as in like he had showed in the webinar, so if any premium feature is there, then we'll have to uh, buy it. Yeah. And for fresher, as he said, 3 to 4, 5 LPA is given, and depending on the years of experience, the market salary goes. So if it's 10 plus, you can expect around 25 to 30 in Power BI. So this is something that we follow in AllPro. And then I just go with the offers. So AllPro Trainings offer that we have. So our training model is of 2 types. So full course, it will be either in Skype or Zoom. And normal training model is around 35 hours. So each day 1 hour of training will be there, and at least a month is needed to complete everything from A to Z with the project. And flash course will be for 4 to 6 hours with 4 hours of hands-on. That will happen next week. We are planning for a workshop. The trainer will be giving you the basics and a bit of hands-on experience. Depending on how you perform and how you are able to grab those details, you can go in for a full course with a trainer. Yeah. And course market price, if you see, it is somewhere around 40 to 50K, and flash courses will come around 12 to 15K. But our institute, we have made it in a way that all of them get access to learning. So we have made it really less in price for students and working professionals to get upgraded with us. And you have our numbers on chat. Bhuvana and Nagalakshmi would have shared their numbers, so you can reach out to them if you're interested in taking the workshop, which is happening next week. And also the full course, they'll be sharing you the details. So AllPro training price, what we have as an offer for today for people who've joined this webinar, is somewhere between, for a full course, next till 9 p.m. maybe we can extend. The full course price can be made 15K with a 60% offer, and a flash course we can make it 99999 only. So in this flash course you will get the idea of how the Power BI works, and you will be given a small amount of data to work with, and they'll cover most of the topics that are needed for a basic level of understanding. And after which, if you want to go further, the trainer will be guiding you, and our team will also be guiding you on how to take it depending on the goal. I said, like if you want to do it for your new job or switch within the company, then our team will share particular syllabus depending on it. And for full course, which is going to be for a month's time, we will be having it at 15K only. And if you are interested, I'll share you the link on chat. You can make the payment and share your screenshot to one of our teammates, or you can reach out to the admins in the Power BI group. So I'm just sharing it to everyone. So you can copy this and make the payment and share it if you're planning to join the workshop or the full course. So even the workshop will be having all that is needed. Workshop will also be giving you an idea of how Power BI works and use cases. The trainer will be sharing it as a document. So you will be having enough knowledge about Power BI in the flash course. And it's going to be at least for 10 hours in total. Mostly covering the use cases and bit of hands-on with real-time data. He'll be able to share it with you during the weekend. Next weekend, Saturday, Sunday, it might be happening. And you will also be getting the recordings for the same. So you can enroll and share the screenshot. We will be adding you to the respective group, and our team will be guiding on how to join the workshop, which is our flash course. And full course, we can make it 15K only. Yeah. So special bonus, so be it workshop or the full course, you will have free interview session and resume preparation. We will be giving you sample resumes, and our team will be guiding you depending on what you are currently working in. And professional certification guidance like PL 300 is there, and many more data analyst, Power BI certification is there. Our team will guide you on how to clear it. And lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation. Once you complete our workshop, we will recommend you for Power BI related skills, and job guidance will also be given. We will be adding you to a group where Power BI related job posts are being given by our team. So your advantages is you can clear doubts anytime in the WhatsApp with our trainer. So depending on his availability, he'll be clearing it and training at your preferred time. So if you want it in the morning, early morning, or late in the evening, we do have batches running throughout. So you can let us know, and we have students from different time zones as well. So that should not be an issue at all for us. And recorded videos you'll be getting for both the workshop as well as the full course if you take. And notes, as I said, use cases will be shared for both workshop as well as the full course. So this is the salary prediction that we have right now. It's like 25 to 30% of salary increase from your current CTC is what we can predict with the current scenario in the market. So one small step can change your life. So I think you can start with the workshop if you are in a dilemma. Or if you want to take the full course, you can connect with our team. They'll be sharing their numbers in the WhatsApp and also the chat box. I've shared the number. So this is the payment link that I've shared. You can make the payment and share the screenshot to our team members, and they'll be guiding you on how to connect with the trainer as well as the team. So I'll be also sharing the feedback form right now. So you can please copy the feedback link and fill it to get your e-certificates. Yeah, so this we won't be sharing elsewhere, the feedback form. So please copy the feedback link and fill it. You will be getting your e-certificates within a week from today of filling. If you have any questions, you can let me know. You can let me know. You can fill the feedback form and you can connect with our team once you've decided to join the course. I'll just reshare their numbers on the chat. You can connect with them. You can connect with them. Yeah. So any other questions? So once you've filled the feedback form and once you've made the payment, you can share the screenshot, and our workshop will be scheduled next week, 29th and 30th. So it will be one good of a session with lots of learning, and you'll be given use cases, and you'll also get access to our network of Power BI students, or any other queries that you have. Our team will be happy to help you in creating the resume or applying for jobs, how to update your Naukri. So you can reach out to them. I've put their numbers in the chat box as well. And feedback form is also given, and the payment link. Again, I'll be sharing it in the group. So if you're not part of the Power BI group, then I'll also share the Power BI group link. You can reach out to the admins in AllPro. Yeah. And any other questions, you can let me know. Otherwise, we can wind the session up for today. And the trainer, he has a lot of experience and has been with us for more than 6+ years now. So he is also given corporate related trainings. So you can reach out to us, and he'll be there to guide you. And even if you have any doubts regarding career options, our team will be there to guide you. So I've shared it with you. Yeah. So you can join this group if you joined the webinar from another link. They'll be posting things on Power BI. Yeah, so thanks everyone. We'll see you in the workshop and full course. And if you have any doubts, you can reach out to the admins of AllPro Trainings. And we are available on all the social media, so you can follow us for more updates. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you in the sessions. Yeah. Thank you so much. So anyone has any questions, or we can wind the session up for today. Have a great weekend. Yeah. Thanks.